Hello friends, welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. Today actually we are going to learn a new shortcut key in MS Excel, and this key is actually used to highlight a certain value in a cell that fulfills a particular criteria. Okay, for example, we have a table here, we have name, marks, and under names we have names such as Kishore, Anil, Ajay, and their respective marks. Okay, so for example here I want to highlight all the marks that are less than 50. Okay, 50 is the pass mark, so I want to highlight all the marks that are less than 50 with a color, say red, with red color. Okay, for that we can use conditional formatting rules. Okay, so I will show you how we can do that. It's a small simple formula. I will show you. Just select the area that we need to process. Okay, this is the area that we need to check the conditions. Then go to conditional formatting or the top, click on that small arrow and come down, click on new rule. Okay, the new rule has certain options. Select the last one, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Click on that and now start writing your formula in this box. Click equal sign, then give cell reference to the first cell that contains the value. Here it is F6. So type F6 and you have to lock column F. Okay, so that it doesn't changes. So I am putting a dollar sign in front of F. Okay, so our condition is if the value in this column is less than 50, so I will write less than symbol, less than 50. Okay, so I, if that condition meets, I will be formatting the cell with a different color. So I will click on format. Okay, here we have the option fill on the top. Click on that. So I am going to fill it with red color this time. Click on red, click on OK, again click on OK. See, all the values that are less than 50 has been marked as red. They have got red color in their columns. So eventually if we, for example, if we change the mark for Anil, it's 35. If we change it to something above 50, I am writing it 58, the color changes automatically. It changes dynamically. Okay, so if we for Nakvi, if I put 62 as 42, I am replacing 62 with 42. See, the color changes from white to red. So that's it, how we can change the color of a cell based on the value. So it will be very helpful for you in while preparing certain data in your daily life. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please like and share. Also provide your valuable comments in the comment section. And if you are coming, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload new videos onto this channel. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye.